just ate the best Lobster Fest in the city. If you live in Thousand Oaks and you haven't been here yet, you are literally sleeping on the absolute best surf and turf deal of the holiday season. I'm talking 16 ounces of prime rib and lobster that creates a serious core memory. This is Bandit's Grill and Bar, and what I found inside, honestly, it blew my mind. Look, here's the problem. If you want that luxury holiday dinner vibe, the steak, the seafood, the experience, but you don't want to empty your bank account or deal with stuffy, pretentious service, we walked into Bandits hoping for a good meal, and it was a full house. The energy was electric. You could smell the red oak smoke from the parking lot. Everyone, and I mean everyone, seemed to be buzzing about one thing, the seasonal Lobster Fest. I didn't come here to play small. I went straight for the heavy hitter, the surf and turf with the 16-ounce prime rib. Smoky, juicy, melt-in-your-mouth beef with that perfect crust. It's the kind of cut that makes you close your eyes after the first bite. Pairing it with lobster. That's Bandits saying, why not have it all? Guys, this isn't your average steak. Bandits has been grilling over red oak for more than 35 years, and they aren't stopping now. The smoke flavor is unreal. But then, we leveled up. I paired it with a Lobster Bisque, creamy, velvety, and packed with that rich seafood flavor. It's the kind of soup that makes you pause mid-conversation just to savor it. Every spoonful felt like the ocean dressed in butter. And the lobster mac and cheese. Imagine your favorite comfort food, but upgraded with chunks of sweet, tender lobster. The cheese was so gooey, the pasta perfectly cooked, and the lobster added this decadent pop of flavor. Honestly, this dish alone could be the star of the show. If you're a seafood lover, this trio is a holy trinity. The lobster, of course. We couldn't skip the lobster tail. Served with that drawn butter, it was tender, juicy, and cooked just right. That natural sweetness of lobster paired with smoky barbecue sides. Absolute perfection. Perfectly cooked with that prime rib. It melts in your mouth. It's savory, it's massive, and it's exactly what you need this winter. But hey, if red meat isn't your vibe, Mrs. 8 tried the Saddle Up Salmon. It's Jamaica spiced, topped with fresh mango salsa that cuts right through the richness. It came with seasonal veggies and their signature Bandits rice. And we have to talk about the tri-tip. This is hand-cut, slow-roasted, and grilled to perfection. You can get it with barbecue sauce, jerk sauce, my personal recommendation, Bandit's authentic barbecue sauce. Served medium with those ranch beans. And for the designated drivers or the mocktail crew, Bandits has you covered. We washed everything down with a blackberry spritz and a fresh strawberry lemonade. Super refreshing, not too sweet, just a perfect palate cleanser between bites of barbecue and lobster. Honest review, the service was incredible. Even with a packed house, the staff was on point, friendly and fast. You really feel that 35-year history of hospitality. So here's the bottom line. The Bandits Lobster Fest is seasonal. That means this deal isn't going to last forever. Whether you want that 16-ounce prime rib, the lobster mac and cheese, or just some legendary barbecue, you need to get here before it's all gone. Grab your friends, grab your family, and get to Bandit's Grill and Bar in Thousand Oaks. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you.
Bandits! I think you know what to do.
Real quick, are you enjoying this video? If so, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified about all our future videos. Also, hit the like button and comment 8 down below to share with your friends and family.
And remember, friends, expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters. See you in the next video.